All right, so we're going to do a little run through on how to lend on Parsiq's IQ protocol right now, which is only available on BSC, Binance Smart Chain. It's a little bit of a process if you're not too familiar with doing these kinds of things, but we'll try to make it as simple as possible, and we'll walk you through everything here. So off the bat, you're going to need a MetaMask wallet. I highly recommend using Google Chrome as the browser and using the MetaMask extension for Chrome. Just did a run through with this trying to use Brave, and it was a huge pain in the butt. So stick with Chrome. Anyone who doesn't have MetaMask yet, it's pretty easy. You can just Google MetaMask, can click download, and it'll run you through. It's pretty easy to run through for real new users. You're going to want to really follow all of their security recommendations and backing up your secret phrase and password and everything. But you're eventually going to have an extension that loads up. It's going to look a little something like this. So the next thing we're going to do, just so we're all ready to go, my Chrome extension didn't have Binance Smart Chain set up for it. So we'll go ahead and get that set up. To do that, you're going to click on your little logo here. We'll click on settings. We'll go to networks. And then you're going to click add network. And you have to fill this stuff out. That stuff I got by just adding Binance Smart Chain to MetaMask. I believe I used this link right here. And you're going to go ahead and let's make sure that was the right one that I used. Actually, no, it wasn't. So let's find the right one here. Okay, so this is all the information that you want to fill in for there. I'll just show you here quickly. So if you were going to be adding a network, basically a network name, you would put BSC Mainnet. I've got it all right here. The URL would be this right here, bsc.database. Chain ID, you'll put 56, currency symbol BNB, and the block explorer URL is right here. So that's all the stuff you put in. I already have it added, so I'm going to just press cancel there. All right, so now your MetaMask is mostly set up. One last thing for new people, you're going to need to send some Ethereum into your MetaMask. That's going to cover transactions. You're also going to want a little bit of BNB in your on the BSC chain of your MetaMask wallet. That's just going to cover transactions and things like that. All right, so going forward from here, let's see. I guess the first thing that we can do is we're going to send our PRQ tokens to our MetaMask. So we'll open this up. I'm going to go back to Ethereum Mainnet because I still have my PRQ tokens on Ethereum. Copy my clipboard. I've got some Parsiq in a ledger here. So let's go ahead and I'm going to send my Parsiq tokens to Ethereum. Put the address here. Continue. And do the maximum amount of Parsiq tokens that I can send. I'll just do it fast. Make it go by a little quicker for this video. It's $10 fee, whatever. I've got some Ethereum in this wallet that's going to help me do the transaction. I think I'm probably going to have to send some Ether to this wallet also, which I'll do just to kind of give you guys an idea. Continue. Max fees, okay. Going to Accept and send. Pretty big transaction. Hopefully we don't have any problems. Transaction sent, fingers crossed. Hopefully we didn't just lose 26,000 Parsiq tokens. If you want to, you can always view the transaction here. I'll load this up. Hopefully we end up receiving the PRQ tokens. Still waiting. There we go. We've got our PRQ right here. Pretty quick transaction. And the next thing we're going to want to do is go to this URL, multichain.xyz. And what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be converting our PRQ. It's a bridge between the Ethereum Mainnet and Binance Smart Wallet. So let's go ahead and connect our MetaMask to this site. Just kind of go through the stuff that it says there. Now we're all good to go. Also, like I said, you're going to need some Ethereum in this wallet here. So I'm going to go ahead and send a little bit of Ether also from my ledger here. Got a little bit in this wallet. So here's some ETH. Let's enter the address we still have. Let's go ahead and send 0.0. Let's do 1908. About 42 bucks. We'll just do it fast for the sake of this video. And we have the details there, but we're gonna hope that we received it. Let's take a look. All right, we've got our Ethereum. Great. All right, so Ethereum, we've got it linked up with this multi-chain. We want to convert our PRQ tokens to Binance Smart Chain here. So I'm going to choose my PRQ tokens. I'm going to select all of them. I want to transfer them to PRQ on Binance. We're going to choose our PRQ tokens. And all I did there, I clicked on this little Ethereum logo here. And I'll click that to do the max amount. And then we are going to, and again, to do this transaction, you're going to need a little bit of BNB. You're going to need a little bit of Ethereum in your wallet also. So we're going to do the transfer. Fingers crossed we don't have any problems with this. In this gas fee I'm using, we'll do a fast transaction for this also. This is going to require Ethereum. The next transaction I'm going to do is going to require a little bit of BNB. So confirm. Go back to the swap. Deposit transaction successful. Let's check again. All right, so we've got our just shy of 27,000 PRQ tokens. We are on BSC mainnet, so we are good to go. And we're all good there, great. So after that, we're gonna hop over to, really you go to, can do it in a new tab just to show you, just go to iq.space. And this is the PRQ IQ protocol sort of main site. Then you would just click the, I'll show you again here, iq.space. You're just gonna click lend here, and that'll bring you to the same page where I am over here. Close the redundant tab. Here we go. All right, let's refresh it. And now it's showing me the max PRQ that I have here. We're getting to the step now where you're going to want some BSC in your wallet here. So let's load it up and show, not BSC, BNB, I'm sorry. BNB tokens. We're doing a transaction on the Binance Smart Chain, and I'm just going to put the rest of these PRQ tokens in. So I'm going to click that to do the max. And then we are going to click deposit. Had a little issue with this earlier, so fingers crossed I won't have any issue. Selection here, gonna do the gas fee that comes up, and we are just going to press confirm. Transaction successful. We have submitted your transaction. You can see it on BSC scan. All right. Got it going here. Status is it's indexing. All right, it says it was successful. So go to withdraw, and there we go. We've got our 27,164 and change PRQ tokens. I already had 233 in here. So yeah, there you go. We're going to be earning interest. As you can see, that's a continuous interest we're accruing. If I refresh it, we will have a larger number. Withdraw again. Not too bad. Making some free PRQ tokens as I wait. As I said, otherwise I had these sitting on my ledger, and at least now they're going to be earning something on the PRQ protocol. We could do a subsequent video also for doing withdrawals. I haven't withdrawn anything yet, but to my understanding, you can just withdraw the interest here. It'll get sent right to your wallet, and pretty simple and user-friendly. In the future, we could do a breakdown video where we really break down everything into specific steps of actually acquiring the Ethereum, acquiring any other tokens you might need, like BNB. I have been using KuCoin to acquire BNB. Can show you right here. Here's the KuCoin interface. Also use KuCoin for buying the PRQ tokens initially. KuCoin or Uniswap. I prefer using KuCoin, but I did acquire those tokens I just showed you using Uniswap. So here, once you're all signed up, you're basically just going to click the spot price, and you can do BNB USDT, buy it here. You buy it, you send it directly to your MetaMask wallet. And you would do that simply by, once you have it acquired, you'll click here, click on your main account. I drained this right now. You'll click withdraw here. Token you want to withdraw, BNB. And you're going to do it on this BEP20 BSC. Enter your wallet, the amount you want to withdraw. You could put a little remark, and there you go. In my case, the wallet address would be right here. Once you have this, you just press this to copy to the clipboard, enter it there, and then put the max amount and confirm. It goes pretty quickly. All right, there you have it. Stay tuned for more content coming soon. Thank you very much.